What we're going to be closely watching this weekend is rainfall moving in and trying to pinpoint exactly the timing. What we're looking at overall is mainly late Saturday, not all evening, and then again on Sunday. There is going to be the chance for some isolated severe storms and even a few isolated downpours. The system, you can see the spin right here in northern New Mexico, is already developing some big storms out across Oklahoma and Texas. It's going to be this first cluster that affects us during the afternoon, evening on Saturday, but the models indicate that this line will be weakening as it moves in. Dry start to our day, but mostly cloudy. By the midday and afternoon, these showers and some thunderstorms roll in. But notice, not an all-day rain. By 4, 5 o'clock, most of that is gone. Now, may get a few more storms later into the evening on Saturday, and then here comes that secondary round on Sunday early morning, and hopefully by about 9, 10 o'clock Sunday morning, rain is wrapping up. This week front pushes on through. Rest of the day Sunday looking very nice. However, there is, with that first line of storms rolling in Saturday, going to have a chance for some strong to severe storms. Lower chance of severe weather on Sunday. And kind of the same thing with regards to a flooding risk. Slightly better chance for some isolated heavy downpours on Saturday. More of the low end threat for Sunday. So both of those features are possible with some isolated flooding and severe weather, but both look to be fairly low. In terms of rain accumulation, 1 to 2 inches, which we need. The problem is we're getting it all on the weekend. Then looking ahead to our strong cold front that pushes in on Wednesday, probably early morning. Chilly and windy Wednesday, breezy Thursday. Winds will be diminishing for Halloween, but Halloween day, 70 for a high. So most of the afternoon will be spent in the 60s. And by the time you're going out trick-or-treating, 50s and 60s. It will be chilly, and the good news is that cooler air is going to continue on into next weekend as well. So we'll kind of make up for the wetter weekend this weekend, next weekend. High temperatures, lower 80s, a little more humid, but mostly cloudy skies. So not particularly warm, but wet at times. Not a washout this weekend. Dry as we get our week started, but that rain chance slight on Tuesday night with our next stronger cold front that brings in the chill to wrap up October.
All right, Chris, thanks so much.